Hey everyone, Ryan from Ebike Escape, and today we're reviewing the original handlebar jacks and ultra portable bicycle repair stand. Now the handlebar jack has been around for about a year or so, and they have been improving it over time. So I have the latest model here, and I have some maintenance to do on our 2018 Rad Wagon, so I thought it'd be a good time to showcase this product. If you're looking to purchase the handlebar jacks, please consider using the link in the description, as that helps support Ebike Escape. Now there are a few reasons I really like the handlebar jacks, and the first one is the price. They are currently priced at just under $30, and if you've done any research on bike repair stands, you know that they can cost up to several $100s. Now don't get me wrong, I really like my Park Tool PRS 25 bike repair station, but the reality is that's not really feasible for everyone to purchase a several $100 bike repair stand, which is where these come in. And also the handlebar jacks are far more portable. You can actually bring these with you. And one other thing that is very important to note is with a bike repair stand, your bike is hanging upright. Now with the handlebar jacks, you attach these to your handlebars and flip your bike over. Now the real advantage here is with a bike with a rear hub motor, you have a lot of weight in that rear wheel. So it is more difficult when you're using a bike repair stand as soon as you undo those bolts to work on the rear tire. With the bike upside down, you have gravity working in your favor. It's easier to put the wheel back on, as you'll see here. And with that, let's get into testing out these handlebar jacks. I'll show you exactly how they work. Here's a look at one handlebar jack, and what's really neat is the design is very well thought out. They actually attach together magnetically, so great for storing at home or bringing these on the go. Now, of course, there are alternatives you can use. I've personally put wood boards to prevent my screen from getting damaged when I'm flipping my bike over, but it's really nice to have a purpose-built tool for this. So let's get these on and flip the bike over. So Handlebar Jack recommends that you put the jacks as far apart as possible for maximum stability, and they do come with a Velcro strap. So I'm going to put this on the handlebar here. And cinch it down. And they actually say that you don't need to get it too terribly tight around the handlebars, and then the legs come apart like so. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And on this side, actually, I'm going to move my mirror out of the way so it doesn't hit the ground. And the handlebar jacks are the first thing to come in contact. Now the last thing to keep in mind is when you flip over the bike, it's going to be resting on your seat as well as the handlebar jack. So I actually need to lift the seat up, and you want to make sure that the seat is still inserted past the minimum insertion point. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and flip the bike over. Highly recommend you have someone help you because, as you probably already know, electric bikes can be quite heavy. And as you can see, the handlebar jacks hold the handlebars plenty off the ground, no issues with the shifter or the LCD screen, and they are rated to hold plenty of weight for any electric bike. Lastly, one thing worth mentioning is I did find installing the handlebar jacks and using them was slightly easier on straight handlebars, though obviously we were still able to make it work on our swept back handlebars on our Rad Wagon. I hope you enjoyed this short review of the handlebar jack. I do think it is a good accessory, especially if you're going to be maintaining your electric bike yourself. This is definitely going on my recommended electric bike accessories list, which can be found in the description. I will also have a link to my top e-bike brands page as well as my electric bike discounts page. Links within those posts help support Ebike Escape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.